In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record full screen on OBS Studio. Currently, you can see this is a not full screen. So, how to record full screen? And click on this plus icon for create a new scene. Okay, this is a blank. So, I need to click and add source. Just click plus icon again. Click on Mac OS screen capture. If you're laptop user or PC user, I mean you are a Windows user, you can find is window capture, screen recorder, anything. Just select, then click OK, then select screen ratio or screen full size, then OK. But you can see it's not capture my full screen. Click on this right button, then click on this transform, then click to stretch to screen. Wow, you can see here the four corner are extremely going to this fit and four corner. It's easy method, right? Thanks for watching. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.